Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. It's the ultimate review of the first Gixxer SF in this fantastic matte red color. So let's jump straight into it. As we unbox this beauty, you can't help but be amazed by its stunning appearance. The matte red finish gives it a unique and sporty look that demands attention. This Gixxer SF is equipped with fuel injection and anti-lock braking system, which ensures a smooth and safe ride whether you're cruising on the street or hitting those corners on the track. Speaking of riding, the Gixxer SF delivers an exhilarating experience. Its powerful engine and outstanding performance make it a dream bike for any rider. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned motorcycle enthusiast, this bike won't disappoint. The Gixxer SF is not just about looks and power. It also comes with advanced features like a digital instrument cluster, LED headlights, and a comfortable seat for those long rides. It truly offers the best of both worlds. Now, let's talk about this fantastic matte red color. It's vibrant, eye-catching, and adds a touch of sophistication to the bike. Whether you're riding in the day or night, this matte red Gixxer SF will surely turn heads wherever you go. As we take this bike for a spin, we can't help but be impressed by its agility and handling. It feels like a well-balanced machine that effortlessly glides through the streets and conquers curves with ease. To sum it up, the Gixxer SF in this fantastic matte red is a true masterpiece. It offers a perfect blend of style, performance, and advanced features that will make any rider fall in love with it. That's it for today's review, but before we go, we want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and content coming your way. Ride safe and we'll see you in the next one.